Hello everybody and welcome to another video from my channel. And today, as you can see, I'm sitting down because I'm just going to start this video off with the fact that it seems I'm going to have skipped a video, but I filmed a whole video on the motorbike. New battery went in it, checked it was all up and running alright, and then I dropped my camera and the whole memory card corrupt, so now I have no footage on that. But no, the motorbike's up, it's running, it actually starts, moves, result there. But then I have just found out that before it goes for its MOT, I need to get the pass light working, the flashing main beams, and apparently the speedo, the clock is a bit dim, so I'm going to have a look at that as well before I get this booked in for its MOT. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack on doing those jobs. Right then, from what I can gather, what I'll do is the main lights. Here's my pass switch. So all I can gather is you undo the two crosshair bolts. There's one there, one on the bottom. Take it off, take that apart, and I think it should just need cleaning. So right, let me put you on the head mount and we'll take that apart. Hello. Right, screwdriver to get those out. That one, crosshead. Smooth the choke out of the way. Like I say, just in case anybody is watching this, I have no idea really what I'm doing. I'm not actually a trained mechanic, but I do enjoy learning new things. If you do come across this channel, please like, subscribe, and help me along with my learning journey. There you go, two of the screws are out. Put them on the floor next to the screwdriver so I can lose them. Right. Apparently, it might just need cleaning, but that to me doesn't look too bad in there. Right. What I'll do is I will actually, I'm going to disconnect the battery and see if I can get that to clean out underneath there. Or I could just spray it with a load of contact cleaner inside and see what happens. Do you know what? I think I'm going to do that first. I'm going to disconnect the battery first. Just spray a load of contact cleaner in there, and because as you're going along it does gather dirt, the dirt off the road just goes flying into it. So yeah, contact cleaner and see if that fixes it. Right then, there you go. I've just given it a quick blast with contact cleaner. Now let's turn the motorbike back on and blow myself up. Turn the motorbike back on and see if that's made a blind bit of difference. My headlight still works. My full beam still works. Does my pass light work? Nope. Right, so it's got to be something else. It's got to be something in here though, because don't know if you can see it. It is all the yellow's connected there as well. I'm guessing that something is a bit not quite right. Right. Disconnect the battery and see what happens now. What we're going to do is undo that one. See if I can get the pass light, the switch out. I might just buy myself a whole new unit. I mean, they're fairly cheap anyway. Right. But yeah, we'll remember which way around they go. I think it's going to be fairly obvious which way around they go, really, but magnetic screwdrivers are amazing. Right. Why won't it come out? There we go. The casing. It's got to be somewhere in there, hasn't it? Why is it not making the connection? Oh, he still comes on. Why is that one not? I don't think contact cleaner is going to quite cut it. Got to be something in that switch, because that doesn't look like it's even going down straight, does it? Thanks, Dad. I really don't know. Really do not know. Right, there you go. Put it all back together, and as you can see, pass light. Where's the switch behind my hand? There you go, and the headlights are on. High beam, normal, high beam, normal. Flash, flash, and my horn's gone again. Oh well. Yeah, we'll put that back together and we'll see what's wrong with the horn again. There you go. Right, let's put this all back together on the handlebar. And see what happens when it's all back together. But yeah, it's just a case of do those two bolts back up, and I'll catch up with you when they're back together. Right then, there it is, all back together. I'm not happy with that switch still, but we'll get it through an MOT, then we probably will buy a new switch. So, horn works, pass light works, headlights on, high beam, standards, and it should still start. Let's give it a bit of choke because it is cold. you go. Still runs, still starts. Pass light is fixed. So yeah, next job was to change the bulb in that cluster there, but I can't really see a way, an easy way of getting into it, so I might just get it MOT'd and go from there. Right, there it is. Another step closer to getting the motorbike MOT'd. Like I say, the only other job now is the cluster, but we're not actually 100% sure on how to do that, so I might just send it for an MOT and see what else it needs. And then the next job will be just to give it a little tidy up and try and sell it. So yeah, I know it's not another long video on it, but progress is being made. My next video might not be a motorbike video, it'll probably be working on my Astra, because I want to put the diffuser on it, so I'm only here for motorbike content, I do apologise, but yeah, next video I'll be working on my Astra. Motorbike's one step closer, so I'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe if you want to, it's up to you, and take it easy. Ta-da.